Hello, I'd like to show you how to add the data analysis toolpack and the solver add-ins in Microsoft Excel. So for that, you go to File, click on it, go down all the way to the bottom. On the bottom left, we have options here. Click that, and then I scroll down, I see add-ins. Then you just basically select Excel Addins here, manage, and then you click Go. So here I see Analysis Toolpack and Solver Add-in. So when I click them into these buttons here on the left, they are selected. I just select these two. So if you want to select other ones, you can also click on them. I'm not going to do that. You just select them and then click OK. So after you do that, they are being installed into your Microsoft Excel environment. In order to see them, go to Data. All the way to the right, you see data analysis here, and solver is ready here. And that's how you install these things in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.